This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. I have now sewn, for the purpose of our butterfly seat cover, sewn the pockets to the front section on all four corners. I'm turning the pockets that will sit over the butterfly chair wings. And now I'll be pressing around the pocket. And I'll go all the way around the outside edge of the chair, pressing under 5/8 inch all the way around so we can finish this edge and not leave any raw edges exposed. Continue on around the edge here. Flip this pocket. Press edges here as well. And we'll be sewing a top stitch all the way around, which will give a more finished look to the edges all the way around the outside edge. I'll be continuing this all the way around the edge before we go back to the sewing machine to sew the edges down. That's how we prepare the edges of the seat cover for the final seam that will go around the edge.